Hey everyone! Have you ever found yourself both fascinated and terrified by the power of nature? Have you ever imagined being in the middle of a storm so intense it seems like a movie scene? Today, we're going to explore the 10 scariest storms ever captured on camera. Get ready to see breathtaking images and hear awe-inspiring stories. This video will show you how nature can be both majestic and terrifying at the same time, and you'll understand why it's so important to respect the natural elements. Curious to see what the sky is capable of? Then stay with us as we dive into these incredible phenomena. 1. Supercell in Tornado Alley. Let's start with a supercell recorded in the famous Tornado Alley in the United States. These storms are known for their ability to generate violent tornadoes. On a summer day, a storm chaser captured images of a supercell forming rapidly. The sky darkened, and a funnel began to extend from the cloud to the ground, forming a devastating tornado. The wind's force was enough to uproot trees, destroy houses, and throw vehicles into the air. The footage shows the impressive formation of the funnel and the ensuing destruction. For locals, it was a terrifying reminder of the destructive power these storms can have. 2. Hailstorm in Villa Carlos Paz, Argentina. In Villa Carlos Paz, Argentina, a hailstorm surprised residents with golf ball-sized hailstones. This storm turned an ordinary day into absolute chaos. Roofs were punctured, cars suffered severe damage, and gardens were covered in ice. Footage captured by residents shows the size and intensity of the hail, with sounds of breaking glass and people running for cover. This storm not only caused material damage but also highlighted people's vulnerability to these unexpected events. 3. Cyclone Amphan in India and Bangladesh. Cyclone Amphan was one of the most powerful cyclones to hit the Bay of Bengal in decades. In May 2020, it devastated regions of India and Bangladesh with winds reaching up to 240 kilometers per hour. The images show the devastation: uprooted trees, destroyed houses, and completely flooded streets. Millions of people were left without electricity, and thousands lost their homes. Videos captured during the cyclone show the fury of the winds and the desperation of people trying to protect themselves. This storm was a reminder of the relentless power of tropical cyclones. 4. Dust storm in Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix, Arizona, was engulfed by a colossal dust storm, known as a haboob. This phenomenon occurs when strong downdrafts from a storm lift large amounts of dust and sand, creating a moving wall of dust. Footage captured by residents shows an immense dust wall, darkening the sky and reducing visibility to almost zero in minutes. Drivers were forced to stop their vehicles and wait for the storm to pass. These storms are rare, but when they occur, they show the brutality of the desert. 5. Lightning storm in Sydney, Australia. Sydney was the stage for one of the most intense lightning storms ever recorded. The night sky was lit up with thousands of lightning strikes, creating an impressive and simultaneously terrifying visual spectacle. For several hours, lightning crossed the sky, striking buildings, trees, and even the sea. The footage shows the city illuminated by continuous flashes, and the thunder's sound was almost deafening. This lightning storm was a reminder of the electrical power of the atmosphere and the danger these events represent to everyone. 6. Hurricane Michael in Florida, USA. Hurricane Michael, a Category 5 hurricane, was one of the most intense hurricanes to hit the United States in decades. In October 2018, it devastated Florida's coast with winds of up to 260 kilometers per hour. Footage captured by drones and local residents shows entire neighborhoods flattened, with houses reduced to rubble and trees uprooted. The hurricane's destructive force left a permanent mark on the region, with damage estimated in billions of dollars. Aerial images highlight the scale of the destruction and the need for effective preparation and response to these natural disasters. 7. Flash flood in Ellicott City, Maryland, USA. Ellicott City, Maryland, was hit by a devastating flash flood in May 2018. A heavy storm dumped an impressive amount of rain in just a few hours, turning streets into rushing rivers. Footage shows cars being swept away by the current and people trying to escape the rapidly rising waters. The historic downtown suffered severe damage, with many businesses and homes destroyed. This event highlighted the devastating power of flash floods and the importance of early warning systems. 8. Monster blizzard in Buffalo, New York, USA. Buffalo, New York, was struck by a monster blizzard in November 2014. In just a few days, over 2 meters of snow fell on the city, paralyzing the region. Footage shows houses buried in snow, cars completely covered, and people struggling to clear paths. The snow's weight caused roof collapses and left many residents trapped inside their homes. This extreme snowstorm highlighted the challenges of living in areas prone to heavy snowfalls and the importance of being prepared for such events. 9. Typhoon Haiyan in the Philippines. Typhoon Haiyan, also known as Yolanda, was one of the most powerful tropical cyclones ever recorded. In November 2013, it struck the Philippines with winds of up to 315 km per hour and a devastating storm surge. Videos captured during the storm show the brutal force of the wind and waves, which destroyed entire cities. Thousands of people lost their lives, and millions were left homeless. The images of the devastation and human suffering are a painful reminder of the destruction that tropical cyclones can cause. 10. Volcanic lightning storm in Eyjafjallajökull, Iceland. Finally, one of the rarest and most impressive storms on our list is the volcanic lightning storm at Eyjafjallajökull volcano in Iceland. In 2010, a volcanic eruption caused a lightning storm amidst the volcanic ash. Footage shows continuous lightning illuminating the sky and ash, creating an apocalyptic and fascinating scene. This rare event combines the fury of volcanic activity with atmospheric electricity, showcasing one of nature's most spectacular and frightening sides. Want to discover how to turn your failures into steps toward success? Get the ebook The Untold Secrets of Failure and start tackling your challenges with confidence and effectiveness. Learn powerful strategies and make practical changes that will catapult your personal and professional life. Don't waste time, access the link in the pinned comment and embark on this journey of transformation right now. If you enjoyed learning about these terrifying storms, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. Share this video with your friends and family so they can also see the impressive power of nature. And tell us in the comments, which of these storms did you find the scariest? See you next time.